Under Rule 374A, and all these names, whichever I have taken, so all these people, therefore, stand automatically suspended from the service of the House for 5 consecutive days.
In an unexpected move, coming down heavily on continuing disruptions in the Lok Sabha, Speaker Sumitra Mahajan suspended 25 Congress MPs for 5 days for repeated trooping into the well and waving placards despite repeated warnings.
Myself, I am requesting everybody. But still you are not listening.
While taking action under Rule 374A, she said, members are being suspended for persistently and willfully obstructing the House. The move came after government approached the Speaker, slamming the opposition for obstructing the House for the past several days. Such a major action is the first in the current Lok Sabha.
मैं सुबह से एक प्रकार से इसको ये कर रही थी, नेमिंग भी कर रही थी, दिखा रही थी कि आई डोंट लाइक इट. मैं 8 दिन से इस बात को सहन कर रही. हद तो ये हो गई थी कि स्पीकर के सामने प्लेकार्ड्स लाए जा रहे थे. स्पीकर को शैडो करने की कोशिश हो रही थी. वो कभी नहीं होना चाहिए वास्तव में देखा जाए.
While the Congress raised its objections on the issue, the BJP said the indiscipline by the opposition left the Speaker with no option. The Trinamool Congress, CPM, NCP and AAP expressed solidarity with the Congress.
I don't know what type of these rules are followed. Therefore, I don't want to criticize the Speaker because we respect a democratic process and democratic institutions. But we are hurt by what is going in the House.
जिस प्रकार से कांग्रेस के सदस्य बार बार टेबल पर चढ़ करके नारे लगा रहे थे और प्लेकार्ड दिखा रहे थे, स्पीकर अंतोगत्वा मजबूर होकर के उन्हें ये निर्णय लिया और कांग्रेस के कई सदस्यों को, जिसमें रंजीता रंजन, सुष्मिता देव, दुपिंदर हुड्डा, रवनीत सिंह, कई सारे सांसदों को उन्होंने 5 दिन के लिए सदन से बर्खास्त किया.
So far the question of suspension is concerned, madam, you are saying repeatedly the questions of rules, not to show the poster. Somewhere we also want to share your sentiment. But by making names and suspension from the House, madam, to make the parliamentary democratic system more powerful and more strengthened.
Please.
I would request you not to take this step.
Noisy scenes were witnessed in Lok Sabha soon after the House assembled and expressed grief for the loss of lives and property in different parts of the country due to the cyclone and floods. The Speaker rejected notices for adjournment motions on different subjects, including those by Congress leader Mallikarjun Kharge. The question hour proceeded with some ministers replying to certain questions, but most could not be heard in the din. The House was then adjourned till 2 p.m. When the House resumed, proceedings continued amid the din, leading the Speaker to suspend the 25 Congress MPs and adjourn the House till Tuesday. Parliament Team, DD News.